Hello students, today we are going to see bending moment in that external bending moment. So for that we consider one cantilever. Cantilever means a beam which is which is fixed at one end, and the other side of the beam we will attach some weight mg, and because of the gravity it will act in the downward direction, because of which the beam will bend like this. Initially it was like this without weight, and after the weight is attached it will move in the downward direction. L is the total length of the cantilever. This is at a distance x. C is the center, G is the geometric mean, and from here to C it is x, and from here to G it is L minus x upon 2. We will write everything. When a beam clamped at one end and loaded at the other. Beam is clamped at one end. Here it is clamped over here and it is loaded in this position. At the other, a equal but opposite reaction is developed at fixed end. These two forces means equal and opposite reaction is developed at the fixed end. From the fixed end, two kind of reaction forces are there. They are equal but opposite in nature. These two forces load at free end and reaction at fixed end form couple of force. The movement of the couple of force is called external bending moment. So here two forces are generated. One is forces, they are equal in magnitude, but they are in opposite direction. So they form a couple of force, and the movement of the couple of force is called as external bending moment. For that we will consider one beam. So we will write everything. Consider a beam of elastic material clamped horizontally at one end O and loaded at other end B with mass capital M. Let small l be the length of the beam. Consider a cross section C at a distance x from O at equilibrium the forces acting on part BC are at equilibrium. We are going to consider the forces acting on BCR. First is here the weight mg, acting vertically downward. Apart from weight mg, there is another force also, weight small mg, where small m is the weight of this part BC. This is also acting in the downward direction at the center of gravity, because we need to consider the center of gravity G of the part BC. So there are two forces, one because of the weight mg and another because of this small portion of the beam because of the part BC due to center of gravity G. The weight mg acting vertically downward at B, and second part, the weight small m into g of part BC of the beam acting downward at the center of gravity G of part BC. Therefore, resultant force acting downward is equal to one weight due to mg and other because of the part mg. This force give rise equal but opposite reaction at section C. These forces form a couple. So these forces give rise equal but opposite reaction at section C, at the center C, where these forces form a couple. Therefore, the movement of couple of force is called external bending moment. Therefore, external bending moment is equal to m into small g into BC plus m into g into GC from center of gravity to the center G, which is equal to mg, we know m into g, BC is nothing but L minus x plus mg, GC is equal to L minus x divided by 2, where L is the length of beam and x is the distance of C from O. BC is equal to, since this full cantilever is of length L, therefore BC, and from the here from O to C is x, therefore BC is equal to L minus x. So external bending moment is given by capital M into G into L minus X plus M into G into L minus X upon 2, where L is the length of the beam and X is the distance of C from O. Thank you.